Yes, student, one of the numerical question, it is very good numerical question to revise all the terms which we have deal in theory period. Like here, what we can find the resistivity, okay, that is specific resistivity, conductivity, kappa, and C number what, molar conductivity. So all these three terms can be calculated by a simple and single numerical. What is the numerical? The electrical resistance of a column 0.05 m. Okay, this is what molarity. NaOH solution of diameter 1 centimeter and length 50 centimeter is 5.55 into 10 to power 3 ohm. Okay, what is this beta? This is electrical resistance. Remember, what is this? Electrical resistance. Calculate its resistivity, okay, conductivity, and what, molar conductivity. Are you getting? So student, to solve the question, we are going to first start from calculation of resistivity. First one, calculation of resistivity. Getting? Resistivity, that is what? Rho. Okay, now you should know what is rho. So what? Rho is equal to R into A upon what? L. Rho is equal to R into A upon L. So we should know what is the R. Okay, R is given in the question. Okay, it is what? Given in the question. What is it? 5.55 into 10 to power 3 ohm. Isn't it? This is the R. What about A? A is what? Area of cross section. Okay. So area of cross section, is it given in the question? So we have used column here. The direct value is not given. For what? Area of cross section. But area of cross section, which we are calling A, it is equal to what? Pi r square, where r is what? Radius. R is what? Radius. So now place the value. To find, we can write A is equal to, in place of pi you can use 3.14 into. Now what about R? So R is equal to what? D by 2. And what is D? This is what? 1 centimeter given in the question, divided by 2. So we can place this value what? 1 by 2 square. Getting? So here we can get the value of what? Value of area of cross section. Okay, when you solve it, it gives the answer 0.785. 0.785. So there is what? Area of cross section, and you know its unit is what? cm square. Now what about L? L, is it given in the question? Yes, it is given in the question what? 50 centimeter. Now place the value in specific resistivity. Say 5.55 into 10 to power, this is what? 3 multiplied by R into A. Where is A? Here is the A, 0.785 divided by what? 50. Okay, centimeter. Now you will get the answer. You to solve it, 87.135. 87.135. And what is this? This is resistivity. Okay, and what is the unit of resistivity? So you can write what? Ohm centimeter. Ohm centimeter. Getting? So here is the resistivity. Okay, now calculation of conductivity. Next one, calculation of specific conductivity. Specific conductance or conductivity, which we are calling K or what? Kappa. K or kappa. So what is the formula which we have deal in previous period about kappa? So simply kappa is what? Reciprocal of rho. So you do simply place the value 1 because there is a rho what? 87.135. When you will solve the question, it will give 0.011 Simon per centimeter. Getting? This is the value of conductivity, that is conductivity. And now third one, to calculate what? Molar conductivity. Molar conductivity. That is what? Del M. So you know that what is the formula? Del M is equal to kappa multiplied by what? 1000 divided by what? Concentration, and the concentration if it is given in molarity. So this is what? Molarity. Isn't it? Now what is the value of kappa? So kappa value is 0.01148 multiplied by 1000 divided by what is the molarity of the solution? Here is the molarity of solution 0.005. 0.05. Okay, what? Mole. Now when you will solve, you will get 229.6. 229.6, and the unit will become what? Simon centimeter square per mole. So in this way you can solve the question properly.